2 questions. Will hiring a professional model help sell clothing on eBay? Versus what you're doing now, just laying it flat somewhere on a table and taking a picture. Question number 2. Will a professional model wearing jewelry you're trying to sell help sell your items better than you just throwing them on a table and taking a picture? The answer to both questions is yes, obviously. Now, how many of us can afford to hire professional models? Well, do you want to sell a lot or not? Yes, but no, you can't afford a professional model. Now, I realize a lot of you think I'm a professional model. I don't want to disappoint you. I know it's a shock. I'm really not. I truly have never done any professional modeling. I know, that's odd. It's weird. You'd think it's a no-brainer. Yet, here we are. I'm going to show you how to use professional models for every piece of clothing and every piece of jewelry you sell without spending a penny. Well, without spending a penny more than you probably already spend, if you're smart. Speaking of smart, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I really want you to do that. It helps. I can't keep doing this at these views. It really does tell YouTube you are learning something from my channel, and it helps show you other channels like mine. So it doesn't just help me, it helps you find other people teaching similar information if you like what I say. Plus, 9 out of 10 doctors agree that every time you click like on one of my videos, your sales increase for the next 42 days. It's just good science. I can't really prove that, but I'm just saying probably it's true. Also, what's true is yes, each and every one of us can hire professional models to model things we're trying to sell on eBay, such as clothing and jewelry, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It does involve AI, but most of you don't have to do anything special. Even if you've never used AI, like ChatGPT or the far superior AI Grok, X.com, if you believed me and therefore seen your sales increase every time your first picture has a white background, overall, all things being equal, eBay and Google Shopping both promise you your sales will be better if you do that, even though a lot of you fight me. And what does eBay know about selling things? What does Google Shopping know about selling things? I'm going to do it my way because this is what my buyers really want. So for those of you who have been smart, used a white background for your first picture, you might be using Photo Room. That's an app for both the Android phone as well as the lady phone, those Apple phones. And it's also an app that you can get on your computer. And Photo Room is a very powerful background removal for pictures, but it does so much more. Now, I know eBay has a background removal tool. The problem with eBay's is it's not very good. I don't know why eBay hasn't improved that after the last 3 years or so they've offered it. They're going, we really want you to use a white background because Google Shopping will show more of your items if you do that. So eBay wanted to convince you of that so much they gave you a tool that removes the background on any item you're trying to sell. The problem is it's not good. It makes a lot of mistakes. It misses a lot of stuff and often will white out something that should be part of the picture. You know this. You just have to do the best you can. If eBay's tool is all you use, I've always suggested on this channel Photo Room. It's a high quality tool, very sharp, very smart. It rarely makes a mistake. And if it does, it's easy to correct, unlike eBay's background removal tool. Come on, eBay, buy Photo Room. That's all you need to do. And every problem will be solved. Just integrate it so we don't have to pay for Photo Room, although it's very cheap, especially if you pay a year in advance. I'm not going to harp on white backgrounds, but let me just show you this Photo Room. If you have a picture, which a lot of us have clothing like this, wrinkled, and we just take a picture and we rely on something like eBay's background removal, which doesn't work well and really won't in this case. It'll often confuse the hanger with this same colored background pegboard. Photo Room will perfectly remove the white background. It does keep the hanger, but that's okay. Buyers understand. A lot of times you take a picture of things on hangers if you're not doing flat lay. This is a very wrinkled shirt, but it'll still sell. Photo Room will create a perfectly square picture, white background, and use it in your listing as the first picture. All other pictures don't need to have white background. It's all wrinkled. It would be nice if it's not so wrinkled, wouldn't it? Well, guess what? Photo Room doesn't do just white backgrounds. It does so much more. Now, there are lots of tiers of Photo Room. There's something called Photo Room Max. I've never paid for it. I've never needed it. Everything I need Photo Room to do, and it does everything I need it to do. Works just fine on the normal, regular app subscription plan of a few bucks a month or even less if you pay a year in advance. So if I want Photo Room to remove the wrinkles on this shirt, it can do so. Now, you can do all of this on Photo Room's phone app, I think. I don't know. I don't care. It's too hard to mess with. I say do it all on your computer or tablet. Now, if you're just doing a white background, Photo Room's app works great. But if you're doing anything that I'm showing you here today, go to a computer. Go to Home, and what you do is click See All Tools, and we would like Photo Room not to remove the background. We would like Photo Room to do a little ironing for us. It actually will iron your clothes. Now, Tip, this may not appear in this order. You might find ironing way over here or down here. It moves it around some, depending on what you've last done. I'm going to click on ironing, and I want it to iron that wrinkled shirt that we looked at. Now, Photo Room was good about removing the background, but it didn't also iron because I didn't request it, but you can. I'm going to select an image. My folder opens up. Select the one, double click that. The image is here. I now want it to iron my image. You just click generate one image, and there it is. There's the image. Now, where did our white background go? Well, let's not worry about that right now. We have the beforehand, it's all wrinkled, and afterhand, it ironed our clothes. Wow, that would be nice. Someday, robots are going to do this for us. What you can do is tell Photo Room, oh, by the way, remove the background. So it will do that, basically giving us a white background, and it's a square picture, just as eBay requires, and I'm going to download this image by clicking download. But oh, you've not seen anything yet. Why not have a professional model all of your jewelry, costume jewelry, which they now call fashion jewelry. They think it sounds better than costume jewelry. I guess it sounds better, but it's the same stuff. Or fine jewelry with diamonds. It doesn't matter. If you're not picking up costume jewelry for cheap at garage sales, jewelry that has some name brands like Monet or even Sarah Coventry has a lot. If it's dirt cheap, just get the jewelry. You can sell it for $10 to $20 on eBay. Familiarize yourself with some basic costume jewelry brands. I might do a video someday. I'm a man. Even I know what kind of jewelry to buy and how to list it because I like money better than I like jewelry. Therefore, it's okay that I'm a man. Plus, I've got my virtual model to do all the modeling. So all I have to do is click virtual model. Now, let me show you some jewelry tricks it can do. This is unbelievable. I just dropped this Sarah Coventry necklace onto the virtual model canvas, and that's just a picture of my white background. I basically threw it on a table and took a picture of it with a white background. Before Photo Room started giving me free virtual models, I would have probably listed this as the first picture. Oh, maybe I would have made it a little bit better looking. Maybe I would have made it more of a circle, and boom, probably what I would have done is put it on my little jewelry display tower covered in black felt. It's a good thing to have one of these so that you can show necklaces and things and do close-ups and show the back and with the little black background. But I have a white background in the overall picture. This is probably more of what I would use as a first picture, even though I don't like to put things in the first picture. Actually, it's against eBay's rules to have anything in a picture you're not selling in that first listing. But things like these forms that hold shoes or jewelry, it is understood that these aren't going to be mailed with this Sarah Coventry. It doesn't hurt to say that because you're literally breaking eBay's rules, but eBay's never going to care. Buyer's going to know you're not going to include that form. But if you want to make sure, put a little note that says display stand not included. But this is just ugly. This gives you a little bit more close-up of what it is. It's actually kind of it's kind of got every other bead is floral design. Now these beads are just I think they're hard, rigid plastic with silver tone dividers, and the Sarah Coventry brand is on one of these clasps. But it's a nice little white necklace, actually a long necklace. It doubles very easily as we saw. Really, from a distance, this looks kind of ugly. Like, why would I use that as a first picture? I would, because when you really look at it up close, it's not terrible. It shows the item well, but it's just not presented nicely. It would be better to double it or something, but I kind of hate to double the strands. But at the same time, come on, this looks better. It doesn't give you a sense of how long it is, but it looks better. Well, I'm going to show you what looks better than that, and that's to tell Photo Room, hey, hire a model for me. Go out and get some girl to model this stuff. And he'll go, okay, how about Maya? I'll go, great. Photo Room says, what kind of pose do you want? Or do you just want me to randomly come up with one? I'll go, yeah, just randomly come up with one. Well, what kind of background do you want? Oh, you can put her in the bedroom, or maybe walking along a sunset, or some random picture, or put her on the street, or I don't know, have her walking along the beach, modeling my Sarah Coventry strand of $20 beads. The bedroom seems best for something like this, so I'll choose that. Size square, because that's eBay's. If your size doesn't say square, click on that and choose square. That's what eBay wants. You know that. Apply brand style. I have no idea what that means. I don't know, and I don't care. I can describe it. I can say, have her smiling, have her look really mean. I don't know, but I'm not going to describe it. I'm just going to say, hire Maya. That's hard to say, hire Maya to model my jewelry, and I want the picture. And it says, okay, now it takes it a few seconds. I know it'll just get better. AI is just going to get better and faster and all of that. It's going to get better. It's not going to take more than 10 seconds. Soon and very soon. Okay, that's not too bad. Wow, now that's a little too long. I might go, it might be better to double that up. So I'm going to go ahead and change this picture. I'm going to say, please the strand so it's not so long on Maya's around Maya's neck. And let's see what this does. Generate another image. Wonderful. This is just great. Isn't this great? Now, you don't want this as your first image. You're not selling Maya. That's not legal. But this makes a great second image to demonstrate the item that you're trying to sell. It's called a lifestyle photo, and Photo Room makes this easy. Yes, you can go to ChatGPT, probably. I don't know. I know Grok's Imagine tool will do stuff like this very nicely, but this just makes it so easy. Photo Room is set up to say, give me a product and I'll put it on a model. I just need a little bit of guidance. Let me show you another one. This is what we call a chunky necklace. These black and white beads are about 1 inch each. These are large balls on a necklace. This is a necklace made in Germany. It doesn't have a brand. Well, I need all the help I can get to sell this. It'll probably bring $19, $21 being made in Germany. No brand doesn't help, but a model will really help. Now, this is a great first picture, no problem. It would also be good on one of those display stands for jewelry. That would be nice also. I think that this looks fine for the first picture on eBay, given what eBay is, and given that eBay really prefers all I want in that first picture, according to eBay, is the item and nothing but the item with a white background, except a lot of you don't do that. So this is fine. This is what I would use as the first picture, but let's see what Photo Room can do with it. I'm going to put a different picture here. I'm going to put our German chunky necklace here. I'm going to change the model. Maybe I want, I don't know, maybe I want Avery to model this one. Maybe I want Avery to be, at the library. Do you think Avery can read? I don't know. She's a model. I have no idea. We'll just give her the benefit of the doubt. Erase the message I used to double up this strand here and square, everything looks good. Hey, Photo Room, I want you to hire Avery to model my chunky necklace from Germany. Yeah, it also takes another 15, 20 seconds. Yeah, it'll get faster. So I skipped ahead so you didn't have to wait through that. This is nice. Let's look at it. You click to see it up close. Wow, this is pretty cool. I mean, she likes coffee. That makes Maya heroine in my book. She's reading a book. That's pretty good. I won't say anything about the color of her hair. She's got a Harley jacket on. That's cool. And she's wearing my chunky necklace from Germany. Wow, this is a wonderful picture. What a great second picture to use to sell this strand from Germany. What a great, beautiful image. It's square. I can save it. Everything's wonderful. I love this. You darn right I'll click and download that, but I want it to do one more and we'll be done. I have sort of a weird, delete the chunky necklace. I have sort of a weird bracelet here. It's very short. It's only about 6.5 or 7 inches long if you unclasp this. So it's for ladies' wrists, of course, because it's a bracelet. It's not for any real men. Plus, this is a large, I think it's over an inch dangle from this bracelet. Now, these are all fake pearls, or as we say, faux pearls. And this is just a nice costume jewelry. I think this will be challenging. I actually asked my wife, could this be a necklace for a very small neck, for a pencil neck? Because the dangle, I think they call these dangles. Ladies, let me know below. I've already angered a lot of you ladies, I'm sure. Let me know below, besides yelling at me. Let me know, is this called a dangle? I think it is. I just thought it's so large, how can it be a necklace? She said, no, it's 6 inches. You goof. Of course, it's 6 inches. Of course, it's a bracelet. Okay, well, how should I know that? Anyway, I moved that up here, and I want to see Avery wearing my bracelet. So let's put her somewhere else. We'll put her in, is there like a cafe? There is a cafe. And we know she likes coffee. She drinks it in the library. They probably don't even allow coffee, but she brings it in anyway. She's a very assertive girl. I already know that. So I've told Photo Room, in a cafe setting, I want you to use Avery to model this bracelet. I'm going to go ahead. I assume Photo Room knows that's a bracelet. I don't. This is a bracelet with the round dangle. Again, I don't know if that's called a dangle. I hope it is, or Photo Room's not going to know what I'm talking about. Officer dangle. This is a bracelet with the round dangle hanging down. Please show Avery enjoying with her coffee. Okay, I think I fixed all the typos. Create the image. Let's see what it does. Boom. Nice. Well, she really is into Harley, isn't she? Harley cup. Anyway, she's in a Harley Davidson cafe. There's one of those in Flagstaff on your way to Vegas from Oklahoma. It's a great Harley Davidson cafe. But anyway, she's wearing my bracelet. Thank you, Photo Room. Look how happy she is. She loves drinking her coffee out of her Harley cup, wearing my bracelet that she just paid 20 or 30 bucks for. All of this is included with Photo Room. You don't want to buy Photo Room because you don't want white backgrounds. Well, buy Photo Room for this. You can have unlimited virtual models. Iron your clothes, model your jewelry. If you're a man, it'll just handle it. I don't know. It'll just make it right. It'll double this. You can say, well, the strands look too long the way that first picture did. It'll just redo it, make it double the strands, and it'll just wrap it around what's her name's neck twice, and it just looks nice. Go back one more time, look at our pictures. Actually, look at our pictures. Here's Avery with her chunky necklace, on her drinking coffee, reading a book, on her way to the Harley Davidson Cafe, where she's going to show off her bracelet with this huge dangle. And then we've got, what's her name? I forget her name. Anyway, she's beautiful wearing our necklace. What a perfect background. Black background for this white necklace. You can kind of see the details. And on eBay, they can increase the size and see, actually, these are floral. Every other white bead or so, large bead, but bead, is like a floral design. This is very nice indeed. Not as nice, certainly. Wow, look at that. She likes Harley also. What is it with these chicks really like Harley? And then she's got this with her Harley Davidson leather coat. This doesn't do it for me. It doesn't do it for me. I don't think that's a good picture. Plus, I think that's way too long, but I haven't measured. I don't know. Maybe this strand would look like that hanging down her neck. I don't know. But if something just seems off, tell Photo Room, change that a little bit. Double it up. It'll do it. It'll be beautiful. Let me see Avery in the coffee shop. It'll be beautiful. It is. It's all good. This is good stuff. You really need to be hiring professional models to first iron your clothes that are too wrinkled, and number 2, modeling your clothes, and number 3, modeling all the jewelry that just doesn't sell well sitting on a table. It sells much better on Avery's wrist than it does on your coffee table. Photo Room does all this and so much more. If you know of anyone who sells jewelry or clothing, you should send them this video and help them out. Photo Room can instantly class up any eBay inventory that includes clothing and jewelry. That's gold. I've just handed you gold. That's gold, Jerry. That's gold. This is a great tip. You guys need to be doing this. Also, you need to be clicking on that round bubble over there, because that's how you subscribe to this channel and double your sales within, 4 minutes, or maybe it'll take a little longer.